After a long flight from China, an Air France plane carrying a shipment of 300,000 Sinopharm COVID-19 vaccine doses touched down in the Peruvian capital. Its cargo is the first batch of an order for 1 million coronavirus vaccine doses from the Chinese pharmaceutical giant. Peru's interim president was on the runway to greet the first vaccines against COVID-19 to arrive in the country.
We have here the first batch of 300,000 doses, which in a very short time will be delivered all over the country. We will start with the intensive care units, the emergency wards, the operating theatres. In other words, with all those who are in the first line of defence against the effects of the pandemic.
The vaccine doses are enough to inoculate 150,000 Peruvians. But in a country with more than 1 million confirmed cases and over 42,000 deaths from COVID-19, the arrival of this first batch is a huge milestone. Unloaded from the plane, the vaccines were put into storage. A second batch is expected to arrive in Peru in a week's time, after several delays.
With the arrival of the emergency vaccines, we will be much better placed to help our citizens in the second and third stage of the vaccination process.
The pharmaceutical company says its vaccine is 79.34% effective in preventing people from contracting COVID-19. China approved this vaccine for public use last December. Collyns, CGTN.